What's up, my people? I haven't seen you guys in quite a while. However, today I am making a sick ass video. This vlog today is going to be pretty exciting because I'm finally getting my F80 tuned. I'm here at Corsa Motorsports in Huntington Beach. They are doing my downpipe install and my Bootmod3 install. I'm going stage 2 because I have the downpipes and intakes, and I already did my crank hub. I also decatted the entire exhaust, so I'm expecting a lot of bangs. I just want to also apologize. I haven't been uploading videos. I took on a little bit more responsibilities at my shop, and thankfully we have been fully packed since October of 2019. It's been non-stop. So for this past couple months, I've been extremely busy, and I promised you guys I was gonna keep uploading videos, but unfortunately I haven't been able to, and that's on me. However, this video today, like I said, it's going to be interesting because I've been talking about making this video for a while now. I've been talking about having my downpipes installed and my tune, but I finally pulled the trigger. I bought the Bootmod3, and I'm going stage 2, and I decided to go with Corsa Motorsports for multiple reasons. One of them being they were really helpful on pretty much going through the whole process of having the software being switched to my name, and them giving me a price that was unbeatable. And when I say unbeatable, I mean no one in California gave me the price that they gave me when it came to the downpipe install and when it came to the Bootmod3 tune. So I'm looking around and I am seeing a couple of nice cars. I have I believe it's a Porsche, brand new Porsche GT3 RS. I have a Lexus RCF right here, and there's if I'm not mistaken, I saw Lambo parked outside. So I think these guys know what they're talking about. I unfortunately couldn't go to SSR Performance due to the fact that, you know, for those reasons, they, one, didn't match the prices that Corsa Motorsports was giving me. Two, that's honestly, that's it. I love SSR Performance. However, when it came to the tune and the install for the downpipes, I mean, these guys, their prices are unbeatable. And I also did ask around, and a lot of people have actually came in and had their downpipes installed. So I trust this guy. Not only that, he actually owns an M4 who had the Bootmod3, but he went with a custom tune. So this guy knows what he's talking about when it comes to F82 and the F80 platform. So with all confidence, I'm dropping my car off. I have to go back to my shop, but stay tuned. I'm gonna do a full walk around of the shop, and I'll be going over the Bootmod3 install. Such a sick color, bro. When I become a dad, I'm definitely buying this one.
Then we're gonna go to my maps right here.
Mm-hmm.
Gonna flash. We need to do a flash full. All your lights are gonna come on and freak you the fuck out.
Yeah, I was just noticed that right now.
Don't worry, it'll clear itself.
Drivetrain malfunction. Chassis stabilizing.
It's just clearing all of it.
Okay. I was like, damn, I gotta go back to the dealership now.
First one would take a little bit of a while. On the street, it was fucking fast.
Wow.
Like,
You were stage 2, huh?
Yeah, like third gear.
Yeah,
and then
dude.
you can. There's a flash. You can make it crisper too. The DC2.
Right here?
Yeah, for free.
It's called the GTS flash.
GTS flash. Yeah.
Can we do it?
Yeah.
Awesome. And that wouldn't harm the tranny at all, right? We'll find out. Oh. So how do we manage the burbles?
Ooh.
that looked pretty cool, man.
Sport. And it won't
Sport.
bubble.
And it won't?
No. When you do sport. Or
Efficient?
not sport, efficient. Yeah.
Efficient, okay.
Put it back to Sport Plus, please.
Sport Plus, all right. And that was the GTS, right?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, there we go. I heard that one. Fuck. That was loud. That was too loud.
You go to sport?
Oh, you don't even hear it. Efficient. Hell yeah.
Sport?
And that's only what, 3,500 RPM? Dude, at 7,000, can you imagine that? Yeah, that's a trip, man.
Yeah.
In the GTS tranny flash, did we do that one yet?
Yeah, we did.
Awesome.
So, here, I did the GTS startup roar too. So when it starts up a little louder.
Okay.
And then, so okay, if you want to, okay, this is gonna be your tune. This is one you have on now, right? You go here. You go to configure. Configure. You have the exhaust burble tab. Custom. Blah blah blah.
How aggressive would you say it is right now? The way it's set up.
75%.
75. Okay. That's perfect.
No.
Anything more, it's they might confuse it with, like, you know, gunshots or something, man.
Doing drive-bys.
Yeah, it's like getting pulled over. Did you do a drive-by? No.
No, this guy's cool.
Kinda. I mean,
you still have the stock muffler, so it looks
yeah,
a little stock.
exactly. You go to transmission, okay.
GTS.
GTS.
Car might have to be off. So you want to do it with a car like that?
Okay.
Remember how much fun we were having when we were tuning that shit?
Dude, we're fucking popping like all day.
An FP Red, full 85, bill heads, cams.
What kind of cams you going?
I went with the Kelforts, the 214s.
Oh, damn, you went 214?
Yeah.
Wow.
Dude, it was it was rowdy. Huge difference from stock power.
Oh, damn, let me get the model.
Alright guys, so I've been driving the car for 24 hours now. Well, not literally, you know, taking a 24-hour drive, but I've been driving it on and off for the past day or so. So far, the Bootmod3 and the downpipe install, just holy shit, it's a different car. The burble tunes are so aggressive, and I have them set up at 75%. And it caught me off guard how loud they are. Those bangs, Jesus, they're so loud. So I'm gonna be driving it in efficient mode for now. But you know, when I want to haul ass or show off, just put in Sport Plus and just bang it out. This next upcoming video, stay tuned. I will be doing impressions of a 500 wheel horsepower F80 M3. I might take a couple of my buddies on a ride, my girlfriend maybe, my mom, dad. You know, I'll ask around, see who wants to take a ride and get a funny impression. Hopefully someone cries a little or pees a little bit. We'll see. But yeah, guys, make sure to like and subscribe to this video.